It was dawn, and as we approached the island, the grayscale view through the porthole was of dark and imposing mountains. It was an otherworld view that I'd never experienced, but that soon changed. Hi, I'm Judy, and this is Mama Jude Says. Welcome to the channel. This video is a continuation of a series of videos covering my recent transatlantic sailing on the Norwegian Sky. Our journey started in Barcelona and ended in the Dominican Republic. On this day of our travels, we sailed into the country of Cabo Verde, which is a group of islands almost 400 miles off the west coast of the African continent. We docked at the island of São Vicente in the town of Mindelo. We did not book an excursion at this port, so we got off the ship and took a walk through the port area. Mindelo is the largest port in the islands. Our visit was on a Sunday, and most businesses were closed for the day on the largely Catholic island. We had beautiful weather during our visit. The climate of Cabo Verde is moderate with stable temperatures and extreme aridity. When it rains, it pours here, leading to soil erosion and little relief from the dry climate. Cabo Verde depends largely on imported goods, and Cabo Verde's service-oriented economy relies on commerce, trade, transport, and public services, as well as immigrants' remittances, or sending money home. Nos Ferry offers 50-minute transfers a couple of times per day from Mindelo to Porto Novo on Santo Antão. In December 2025, tickets for non-residents were around $32 US. When you're cruising, sometimes when you leave a port, you have the feeling like you've seen and done everything you'd like to, and that you don't particularly need to return. However, I found that as we prepared to leave Mindelo, that I had not seen enough of this gorgeous island, and I definitely would like to return for a more in-depth visit to get to know the culture, the people, the food, everything. It was just one of the most beautiful islands I've ever visited, and I cannot wait for the opportunity to return. If you have traveled to Cabo Verde, please leave a comment below and let me know where you were and how you spent your time in Cabo Verde. I recently saw a video that was far more in depth than what I could provide here. I believe it was published by the BBC, and I will leave a link to that video in the description for my video below. This small, rugged, uninhabited islet in Porto Grande Bay is called Bird Island. It has an iconic lighthouse and is a refuge for, you guessed it, seabirds.